Today, we're learning the dance to Shakira's new World Cup song. I'm gonna break this up into 4 easy sections, and I promise by the end of it, you will have it. But before we get into section number 1, I wanna say thank you to this person right here for sending me over a super thanks. I appreciate that so much. All right, now, I'm gonna mirror this video. My left is your left, and my right is your right. Let's get to section number 1. We're gonna start on count number 8. I'm gonna step in my right leg here and bring my hands to my chest. Boom. Okay, I'm gonna count 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you can also step your left leg in. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Now that 8 is gonna set me up into this first move here. I'm gonna do the arms first before we add the legs. I'm gonna make my left arm go straight. The right arm is gonna pull up with my palm facing you. Yes? Elbow to the ceiling. Lean forward as you do this motion. I'm gonna go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Those timing right there is nice and slow at first, and then we double it up like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right? Now, the leg that's gonna pop out is gonna follow the arm that is straight. So when my arm goes straight, that same leg is gonna pop out on a diagonal, okay? And I'm going on the ball of my foot, and my knee is making that angle right there. So we said 5, 6, 7, 8. Shoot the left hand down, right hand up. 1, 2. See how my left leg comes out? I go through the motion. 1, 2, other side. 3, 4, then double. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice. All right. One more time, just for good measure. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. All right. If you see me from the side, you can see that my body opens up into that side that's the leg is popping out, and I'm opening up space for my torso to go through so I can get this groove. Okay? That's gonna help you with the move. Moving on, after we finish 8, we're gonna step out with our right leg. It's gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. Now Shakira has this footwork here where she pops onto this right leg. It goes 1, and then she pushes the weight onto that left one to make it reset back to that right. So I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Now you see the dancers also in the video. They're moving with it. 1, 2, 3, 4. And they activate the chest to give them that pull. So it looks like this. 5, 6, 7, we land 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. So getting that chest on the count. It's like you're taking a breath. Okay? And your hands are gonna stay by your side. So when you go 1, 2, 3, 4, you're gonna take your arm, you're gonna go stepping with this right leg twice. 5, 6. And there's a little twist in this right leg. 5, 6. Okay? Then we go 5, 6. You're gonna kiss on 7, kiss your muscles. 7 and then slide 8. Okay? One more time from that new section there. We said 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, kiss 7, 8. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, step. 5, 6, kiss 7, slide 8. Good. That's section 1. Let's put section 1 together and make sure you have it, okay? Here we go. 5, 6, 7, step. 8, we're going slow. Step 1, 2, 3, double up. 5, 6, 7, 8. New part, we step. 1, 2, 3, 4, step. 5, 6, kiss 7, slide 8. All right, try it a little bit faster. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, step. 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice. All right, moving on to section number 2. So we just finished this 8. We're gonna catch on the 1. Hands are gonna go like this. 1. Now Shakira looks over to her left when she does it. 1. So as that foot's coming in, 8, 1. You hold 2, then you go down to your hips. 3, 4. And you're highlighting your hips and rotating to your left. 3, 4. Again, so we said from here, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then from here, we're gonna take our shoulder to go 5, 6, 7, and then depending on which one you're gonna do, I'm doing the male version, but the girls go down on the 8. Yes, and they're kind of resting on each other. But for your hands, you can put them down here, all right? One more time. We said from here, we slide 8, catch 1, 2, and the palms are facing the ceiling. 1, 2, then we go hips, 3, 4. Then the shoulder here, I'm stepping forward with the right leg. I'm prepping that left shoulder up so the right shoulder goes down to go rock and back and rock and down. Okay? 5, 6, 7, 8. This is what the guys do right here. All right? One more time. So we said from here, 6, 7, slide 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, go shoulder, 6, 7, 8. Now, I'm gonna show you the guy version first. The leg is the same for the girls and the guys though, all right? Except for the ladies use their peach and the guys, they're using the arms. So, you're gonna go here. You're gonna take your leg, this rhythm's gonna go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and back, 6, 7, 8. Okay, you're gonna think of the leg, if you're doing the girl version, the leg is going forward, 2, 3, 4, then back, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and for the guys, they're going 1, 2, 3, 4, back, 6, 7, 8. Okay, get that rhythm, the rhythm here. Boom, ba 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 ba, and a 1, and a 2, and a 3, and a 4, and a 1, and a 2, and a 3, and a 4, and a whichever count helps you, okay? So, ba-da-ba, 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 on the ball of the foot. So, the guys are going here, they're gonna go on the 8, you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, hands 5, 6, 7, 8. So my hands are going to go on the 8, I'm gonna go 1, 2 with the right hand, then left hand, 3, 4, then right hand, 5, left hand, 6, then I go 7, 8. Watch that one more time. So we go from here, 5, 6, 7, out, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, open up, 6, 7, 8. Good. And once again, the ladies are down here doing their thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, back it up, 6, 7, 8. All right? So that's gonna be that section there. Let's try all the sections we did so far, put it together super slow, then we'll move on, okay? Here we go. From the top, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, double, 5, 6, 7, stop. Then we step out. 1, 2, 3, 4, flex, 5, 6, kiss, 7, slide, 8. Section 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, hit, 5, 6, 7, out, 8. Or you're going down, 8. Then we do the bounce. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. All right, so from now, we're gonna go on to the next section. We're gonna take our body here. You're gonna think of pushing forward with this hand. So this is gonna be our section 3 here. You're gonna think of, the best way can I explain it is think of like pushing your hand forward through something. Like you're pushing through tension, okay? So I'm pointing with this left hand. Right hand, the dancers keep their hand on their chest. And Shakira kind of has her hand up here. She's kind of pointing like this. I'm gonna copy the dancers, okay? So you're gonna take your left hand, it's gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Get this step here just for now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. So the head now goes on this count. 1, 2, look. 3, 4, keep it forward. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So that right there is gonna have this little twist in your body just a little bit to help you travel forward. So I'm gonna hop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Let me make sure I'm not getting cut off the camera there. One more time. So we finish our 8 here. We go looking forward. 1, 2, look back here. 3, 4, keep your focus forward. 5, 6, then we look back again. 7, 8. Nice. Okay? Now, when you're doing that motion, if you see me from the side, it looks like this. Boom, sha, boom, sha, giga, boom, sha. Yeah? I say these sounds to help me, okay? So, this is our section 3 here. We're gonna stop there. This is only section 3. When you finish this move here, you wanna think of milking through that last one, okay? So let's connect it slowly. So we said from here, 5, 6, 7, down, 8, whichever one you're doing. 1, 2, 3, 4, back it up. 6, 7, 8, go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Okay, stop there. Now, section number 4. This one here, you're gonna take your hands. You're gonna think of making your hands like, I think it's like Egyptian style. Yeah, like tutting almost. You're gonna take your hands to switch to the right first, and your right leg's gonna go to the right as well. So it's gonna look at this. Ta-ta-ta. Yes, and you're making your hands go shift, and the fingers are pointing to your right side. So from here, 7, 8, ta-ta-ta. Then you're gonna do a pelvic thrust. Tick, tick. Other side. Ta-ta-ta. Tick, tick. Again, so we said 7, 8, taka-ta. Hit, hit, taka-ta. Hit, hit. 5, 6, 7, 8, taka-ta. Hit, hit, taka-ta. Hit, hit. Yes? Okay? Now to finish off section 4, you're gonna roll your hands and a roll. Bring it to the front. Call your friends over. Point up to the sky. Let's go. All right? One more time. That last part, we just finished here. Tiki, ti, ha, ha. I'm gonna roll to my right and a roll like I'm serving something. I bring it over to you, call you over, put my hand up, let's go. All right? And then after that, they just cheer and have a good time. So that will bring you to the end of the dance. But let's go through section 4 one more time. So we said from here, 7, 8, ka, 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 juk, juk, ka, 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 juk, juk, and a roll and come and peace. All right? So that will be your ending there. Let's go through everything. Nice and slow from the very top to make sure you have it, and then we'll go straight through it. All right? Here we go. From the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step 1, 2, 3, 4. Double 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we step out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Flex. 5, 6, kiss. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shoulders. 5, 6, 7, 8. Legs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Open up. 6, 7, 8. Section here. 1, 2. Look. 3, 4. Step. 5, 6. Look. 7, 8. Last section. Taka-ta. Hit, hit. Taka-ta. Hit, hit. And a 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Yes, yes, yes. All right, let's try it straight through. Here we go. No stopping, but still minimal tempo, okay? Here we go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Double 5, 6, 7, 8. Step 1, 2, 3, 4. Hit 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, shoulder 5, 6, 7, 8, shake the leg. 2, 3, 4, open up. 6, 7, 8, go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, ta-ka-ta, kick it, ta-ka-ta, hit, and a serve, come here, let's go. Yes? All right, now try with the music by clicking right over here, or YouTube thinks you might like this video next. All right, thank you guys for being here, and keep requesting those songs down below. Keep dancing, y'all. 8, 8.